welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be doing the Jayda Wayda braids again, but without the heart in the middle. If you haven't checked that video out, I will link it in the cards above so that you do get to check that video out. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. So pretty much, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm gonna let you watch the video, enjoy the video. But if you do like this video, hit that like button, notification bell, and subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. And all the products that I will be using will be linked in the description box below.
Yeah, that's the way I like it. Gonna smile on none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat. Should they fold that bitch? No yoga mat. Chat. Should I dare that nigga? Don't hit me back. Chat. Should I ran that nigga? No questions asked. Chat. Chat. They chatting. They chat. When the sun go down, everything made me feel lonely. Had lost that thing, but right now it's just a hole. Try to look good, it's hard enough, no one to hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I run it up, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, that's my second life. That's me, passed out on a nigga backseat. Cast out on the backseat beach. Oh, you know my body. Oh, you know that's me. Bitch, you think like it me. All I want to love is inside there. Some of y'all go get washed. Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I gave you this type of feel, you ain't the constant too. I swear I need a piece if it weren't for you. Yeah, I only want your love if it's solid. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. Gonna smile on none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
I got the slam, proud of them. Shorty have me drip, proud of them. Put it on the jet, out of here. 2024, all year. Call paramedics, killing them. Stepping on their necks, you really him. New leather vest, nigga trim. Running up a check, stacking them. Yeah. Hold on. I caught the top, Balenciaga. Put it in their face, been on them. Fly to Abu Dhabi, spin on them. Shit like a party, I ain't going on them. Tapped by sticks, I feel better. I see these buck out a vendetta. Gotta keep a bitch, a big nutter. You ain't seen one, could've planned better. Smoking on the sky, Cornrows. Pop Percocet, help me feel better. Set the trend, I'm a trendsetter. I'm not a wrestler, getting cheddar. On my wrist, timeless. Certified factory diamonds. The young nigga going diamond. Prince, they call me your highness. Flip a nigga bitch, she tag team shit. I'm passing up on man Ryan. Cook up a hit like I'm whipping up. Out whipping that shit like a Cayenne. I got the swag, proud of them. Shorty have me drip, proud of them. Put it on the jet, out of here. 2024, all year. Call paramedics, killing them. Stepping on their necks, I'm really him. New leather vest, nigga trim. Running up a check, stacking them. Turn up your bit, Cinderella. 2024, Margiela. Money in the wall, cartelling. Mansion in the hills, mall in it. Cold in the St. Laurent chinchilla. Me when I walk, I can spin bigger. Looking in the eyes, see the sand in them. Fuck it, baby, go and bring your friend with her. I'm rich bastard, I got 10 figures. Rolling nigga pockets, I ain't friends with them. 10 years in and I'm still winning. You don't talk to bitches cause you been tender. Put her in the dot, in sky, look at the clock. Roll like a Grammy, go about the light. No, they can't stand me. Kids at the house, hunting to a nanny. Stood on my 10, ain't nobody behind. I don't see the cap, I go way chart blind. I went Ferrari and 2 got the spine. M on M, millions on mine. I got the swag, proud of them. Shorty have me drip, Proud of them, put it on the jet, out of here. 2024, out here, call paramedics, killing them, stepping on their necks, really him, Louis another bag, nigga Trump, running up a check, stacking them.
Funny that you here, cause I know this really ain't your thing. She said you got that right, and I call will arrive in 15. She said it's 12:35, but she still got work in the morning. I ain't tryna kill the vibe, you can see it in my face, I'm torn. Yeah, but wait, just like magic, they playing our song from way back when we fell in love. She put down her jacket and gave me her phone, said that I can't stay, but just hold up. Moving through the crowd, almost dropped my drink, girl, we in LA, that shit ain't cheap. She said you ain't changed one bit, put my hands on her hips and said just focus on me. Her body like a lips, so on that bag, I'ma leave with my kiss up. Yeah, I love it when you get up. I saw my hand on your back on your thighs when you get lost. But when she was with hips up, I already knew you were bad, but I act like I didn't know. Yeah, I know you ain't know this is up. There's a party in my bed, and I send you the info. Deuces, I see you later, right there. I'm full of prayer, focus on me, not on them haters, baby. Don't do us make it crazy, maybe we can sober up in my bed, but you won't let me take you there. No, you proceeded to leave, but then just like magic, they playing our song from way back when we fell in love. Put down her jacket and gave me her phone, said I can't stay, but just hold up. Moving through the crowd, almost dropped my drink, girl, we in LA, that shit ain't cheap. She said you ain't changed one bit, put my hands on your hips and said just focus on me. Like a calypso, yeah, on that back, I'ma leave with my hips on my face, yeah, you get low. Yeah, so my hand on your back on your thighs when you get low. But when she was this low, I already knew you were bad, but I act like I didn't know. Now I'm too annoyed to call. There's a party in my bed, then I send you the info. Her body like calypso, yeah. Come on, with my face, I love it when you get low. Oh yeah, when you get low. But when she move her hips so too up in my bed. 902 and know the zip code. There's a party in my bed, then I send you the info. Can I send you? We can rendezvous now, babe.
Not know what you just started. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on shit with cars. Get my coin and swipe that bitch, and now the spirit to charge. Making music, being on bitches, I be really much. I got hands for a hoe, I get bands for a show. He want chance after chance after chance, nigga. No, I keep saying free love folk. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down. Soon as I land on them folks. I'm fresh, don't follow the rules, I'm broke. No, I stand out, bitch, I'm special. I'm stand up, bitch, like cat. You a bum ass bitch, you wet. Don't stall me, bitch, I'm pet. Lying in the bitch up, I'm wet. I don't pick and choose, it's up with whoever. All my diamonds hurt, and all these members 32. Smiling in my nigga, ho, knock out all your 30. C8 doors, open up for me. Hear the engine roar, switch to sport. I got somewhere to be, little baby, I'm important. It came with a drum, yeah, that's my favorite gun. Ask if he my only nigga. I said no, but you my favorite one. Nah, yeah, Braids, bitch, nigga, I'm one-on-one. Nah, I can't make you mine, but I can make you come. Freak up in the sheets, in them streets, baby, I'm a thug. I just threw 10,000 something ones in this fucking club. I'm popping this so hard, cause I ain't used to shit. These niggas ain't got no type, they want a stupid bitch. You can walk away now. We about to turn this place out.
It's the kids, they riding big. The one police try to catch riding dirty. In the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch a dime kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shining pearly. City boys that she fine and pretty, and the country boys that she fine and pretty. Yeah, my pockets think it's green as curry, and the ladies know as soon as they see my jewelry. If being fresh to death is a crime, I think it's time for me to see the jury. Millionaires, they on the grind. Also like me, it's hard to find. I ain't really impressed. That's unless it's about some dollars. I really don't need to call you fine. Know you be hearing that all the time. Watching you do your step. Yep, it's going down.